she has to pay every bill by herself, keep up her beauty, her hair, her nails, maintain her own car, her own home, if she has to wake up early, grind 50 hours every single week, and still come back to silence, no dates, no flowers, no effort, if she's never shown off, never appreciated, if she always has to say I instead of we, mine instead of ours, and still carry the weight of building her life alone, tell me, why would you ever think you're really her man? Because here's the truth, she's not selling her love, but it's not free either. Men will watch a strong woman do everything, pay every bill, handle every problem, and they'll let her just because she can. Yes, she understands a man working on himself to establish something with her, to build side by side. Then you're not ready. Two heads are always better than one. A relationship is supposed to benefit both people, financially, physically, emotionally. And let's be real, patience eventually turns into settling. Asking eventually turns into begging. And once a woman realizes she has to depend on herself for everything, she will stop depending on you at all. Because if she has to do it all by herself, she might as well be by herself.